This is Treva Jones with the sheep heart dissection video. We are going to do the visceral pericardium, which is the outer layer of the heart. This heart is very fatty. The right and left atria. This would be the heart is. This is the anterior view of the heart. So this is the anterior view of the heart. The right atria is here. The left atria is here. The blood in the right atrium is deoxygenated blood. The blood in the left atrium is oxygenated blood. The right and left auricles are used for increase the pumping and collecting the blood capacity in the atrium. And the left and right auricles are located. You have to put it this way, here and here. The right and left ventricles. The left ventricle would be here, and the right ventricle would be here. And again, we're looking at the anterior view of the heart. If we're looking at the posterior view of the heart, the right atrium would be here, and the left atrium is here. The interventricular sulcus, the coronary arteries are found in there. The pulmonary trunk, and actually that would be the larger blood vessel that goes to the lung, and that carries deoxygenated blood. The aorta would be this here. And the blood in the aorta is going to the circulatory system, and it does carry oxygenated blood. The ascending aorta, which is here, and it has three major vessels: the brachiocephalic artery, the left common carotid artery, and the left subclavian. So if we're looking at the posterior view of the heart, which is here, the superior vena cava, or vena cava, is this here, as you can see. The inferior vena cava is this one here. Coronary sinus. The blood that are in these vessels are going to the right atrium. And these are veins, and it carries deoxygenated blood. So we are going to go to the internal anatomy. So if we open that up here, again, you are looking at the anterior view of this heart. So this is the inner wall. I can hold that open to show the inner wall of the right atrium. And the myocardium is that innermost part of the lining of the heart. And the myocardium see that the right and the left. And the left is 3 times thicker because it has to pump the blood into the aorta. So this is the inner surface of the ventricles here. Okay, so we are looking at the internal anatomy again. you would see the bicuspid valve here and the tricuspid valve here on this side. Alright, so the cusp of the AV valve is here. It's hard to keep this open. The chordae tendineae are these tendons, if you will, here. And the papillary muscles is right there.